6:53 p.m. Tarentum, Pennsylvania. I'm here looking at the C39, but that's not what I'm here for. What I'm here for is some weird GMTX looking thing. Looks like it used to be a 45-2 coming up soon. Now, I believe it cleared ferry not too long ago, so I might actually get a meet here. Now, I know it's not going to look pretty, but I expected to be able to get across the right of way. Ah, it's still in Creighton. Crud. Well, hey, this is going to be some weird content for me. Normally, y'all see me just start the intro, train gets here, train passes, train gone, done. Good couple stretch. Holy shit. Good couple, guys. Alright, I'm going to pause the recording to save on space. I only got 13 minutes to work with, so big fat jump cut. Back again. I know I said I'd pause the recording, but I don't come out here to see Charlie work all that often, so. Oh, I hope to God this picture that, I feel bad for these guys. Come right up to the crossing and magically the gate's gonna go right back down. I'd love if they just stopped right here, but I know they're not gonna. It's just like the golden angle. I could get two here right now, but I can't because they're moving. Here's the show. Sorry, Grandpap, not picking up the phone right now. Love ya. Is that a 45-2? I think that was a -2. Oh, this feels so wrong. Double track action on the Conemaugh. This is... Oh, this is wrong. I'm gonna move over here to get a better shot of the stock. I should have done this to start. The child in me is just, oh my God. And a BN hopper. Gift that keeps on giving. I see Illinois Central. You got the logos. Holy shit. Now, I said for a certain 11V, I think just last month, after I recorded it, that was probably one of the best trains I'd seen all year. I think I have some pretty firm competition right now. yellow top hat. No way. Oh, and a blue. That's some interesting patchwork. Yeah, it was oh, I can't remember the Pokemon name. God damn it. And a banana? Oh, you're brand new, pal. $50-50, huh? Is that thing still going back there? I just got a glimpse over this flat car down into the yard, and it looks like this thing's still got another 20-some cars at least. 7 minutes. I'll be darned. Nothing but my annoying voice and this. And unfortunately, it looks like that's just all she wrote tonight. Well, as the tail end of the 12G runs off and the head end of the C39 works, that's the 12G gone in 8. And of course, as always, that's it.